Hello, English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning Master English fast and efficient. In this video, we will learn practice English, speaking, and how to think in English with easy tips. Thinking in English is one of the best ways to improve fluency. Here are some easy tips to help you practice. 1. Start with simple words and sentences. Describe what you see around you. I see a blue car. Think about your daily routine in English. I am brushing my teeth. Use simple phrases in your mind before moving to complex sentences. 2. Label objects in English. Stick notes on everyday items with their English names, e.g., mirror, table, door. When using them, say the word in your head, I am opening the door. Talk to yourself in English. Talking to yourself in English is a powerful technique to improve fluency and confidence. It helps you think in English naturally, without translating from your native language. Here's how you can do it effectively. 1. Narrate your actions. Throughout the day, describe what you're doing in English. This builds vocabulary and makes English a natural part of your routine. I am waking up now. I am brushing my teeth with mint-flavored toothpaste. I need to leave for work in 10 minutes. If you don't know a word, try to describe it using simpler English. For example, if you forget the word microwave, you can say, I am using the small oven to heat my food. 2. Ask and answer questions. Imagine having a conversation with yourself. It helps you think faster in English. What should I eat for breakfast? Maybe I'll have eggs and toast, or maybe cereal. What do I need to do today? I have a meeting at 10 a.m., then I need to buy groceries. 3. Describe what you see around you. Wherever you are, describe the surroundings in English. This improves your ability to form sentences quickly. The sky is clear and blue today. There are many people in the park. Some are jogging and others are sitting on benches. 4. Imagine conversations. Think about situations where you need to speak English, e.g., ordering food, asking for directions. Imagine how the conversation would go. Hello, I'd like a coffee, please. Sure, would you like it with milk or sugar? Just black, please. Practicing imaginary conversations will help you feel more comfortable when speaking to real people. 5. Record yourself speaking. Try recording yourself talking about your day or expressing your thoughts. Then, listen to the recording and check for mistakes. This helps improve pronunciation and confidence. 6. Use a mirror. Mirror talk. Stand in front of a mirror and speak in English. Watch your facial expressions and body language. Pretend you're talking to someone else. This boosts confidence and fluency. The key to success. Start with simple sentences and gradually move to more complex ones. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep speaking. Make it a habit. Practice every day. Narrate your actions. I am making coffee. Ask yourself questions and answer them. What should I wear today? Maybe the blue shirt. 4. Use an English-only dictionary. When you see a new word, look it up in an English dictionary instead of translating it. Read the definition and example sentences to understand it in context. 5. Watch and listen to English content. Watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. Repeat phrases you hear to practice pronunciation. 6. Shadowing technique. Repeat after a native speaker. Listen to English conversations and repeat what they say. Try to copy their pronunciation, tone, and speed. 7. Set your phone and apps to English. Change the language settings on your phone, social media, and apps to English. This will make English a natural part of your daily life. 8. Think in English before sleeping. Summarize your day in English. Today I went to work, had lunch with a friend, and watched a movie. Plan your next day in English. Tomorrow I will go shopping and call my cousin. Days. Speak with others in English. Join English speaking groups or find a language partner. Speak in English even if you make mistakes. It's part of learning. 10. Be patient and keep practicing. Thinking in English takes time. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just keep practicing. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips. And we will put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below. If have some question, see you on the next video.